Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear wiper on a Tiago. So this one's the XZ Plus and it has a rear wiper, and unfortunately after wear and tear it started to get damaged. So there's two options. You either buy the wiper online, and I find it to be too expensive over there. It's like 300 rupees plus, and some sellers sell you this part as well unnecessarily. You don't need to change the arm, you just need to change the wiper blade, or if possible you could just change the rubber. It's called wiper refills, but not very easily available in India. So how do you remove it? You just retract the arm and just push it out like that. So just rotate it against the arm, and if you just notice here, there's one notch which holds the wiper and there's one which secures it. So there's an indent over here, if you can see. So if you can see that notch and the one over here, that's to secure it. So you need to orient it properly when you put it back in. So I got my wiper offline for 100 rupees. It's a brand new wiper. It comes with the frame, and all you need to do to put it in is get it in here from the larger space and push it in. If you can just see here, I'm pushing it in. It's a bit difficult with one hand. Now it's in, and you just push it inwards. Okay, so that's secure. I'm pulling it out, it's tight. Put it back on and your work is done. 100 rupees, do it yourself. Don't waste money on the internet. Thank you.